Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Duo Security for MFA for Microsoft 365 step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Duo Security website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Select the option for Duo for Microsoft 365. Enter your organization's details in the required fields. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Fill out the necessary information, including your contact details. Review your selections to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Continue button to proceed with your order. Create an account by entering your login credentials. Check your email for a confirmation link from Duo Security. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Duo Security account. Navigate to the Applications section in your dashboard. Click on Protect an Application. Search for and select Microsoft 365. Follow the on-screen instructions. Generate a unique integration key and secret key as prompted. Record these keys securely for later use. Log into your Microsoft 365 admin portal. Go to the Azure Active Directory section. Select Enterprise Applications from the left menu. Locate and select Duo Security from the list of applications. In the Duo application settings, enter the integration key and secret key. Finish configuring any additional settings as needed. Save your changes in both Duo Security and Microsoft 365. Test the integration by logging into your Microsoft 365 account. You should now be prompted to complete the multi-factor authentication setup with Duo Security. Follow the prompts to finalize your MFA setup. Congratulations! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.